Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i to the application. In the previous video we installed and set up the application, so if you don't know how to do this, you can check this video at this channel. And for these earbuds we have two applications, HUAWEI Audio and HUAWEI Live. I will show you how to connect to both this application. And firstly we need to pair them with the phone. This is the step for both this application, so let's do this together. And then I will connect it firstly to HUAWEI Audio and then to HUAWEI Live. So to pair them you need to open Settings, go to the Bluetooth, and after that open your earbuds. If it's your first connection, this earbuds should enter to pairing mode automatically, but we can enter to pairing mode also manually. To do this, at the right side we have connection button right here. You need to press and hold at this button until you will see that the LED light start blinking white, and I recommend it to wait like 2 seconds. 1, 2, here we go. Now we see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, and now you can hide the Bluetooth. And firstly, as I said, let's connect it to HUAWEI Audio, open the application, and okay, let's do this like this. Click at device. Now it should find these earbuds. Okay, sometimes it happens. Let me reopen the app. And as you can see, it automatically adds these earbuds. But as you saw before, I had the line with the headphones and I need to click connect. So maybe you need to do the same for these earbuds. But as you saw, it just adds them automatically. Now let's move to add them to the HUAWEI Live, and we cannot use both this application. If your earbuds connected with one of this application, it automatically disconnect from another application. After you pair them with the phone, open HUAWEI Live app, then click at the plus at the right top and click connect. Pair. Done. And now we have them. It will be connected? Yes. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.